How to remove blocked phone numbers on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Phone and tap on it. You are now in the Phone Settings page. On this page, scroll down to the end and go to Blocked Contacts. You can view all your blocked contacts and emails over here. If you want to unblock any contact, go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Press and hold that contact and swipe left. Then, tap on Unblock. You can repeat this to unblock the other contacts as well. Following these steps, you can easily remove blocked phone numbers on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.